Fucking waiting for them to go so I can do this fucking thing for the exhaust. Hello everyone, look what I got. Coffman exhaust. You can choose red, gold, blue, black, aluminium, all the tips, you know, you can probably get it custom painted as well. Obviously, baffle is removed, but this bit looks like the baffle. The baffle's connected to that behind, so when you take this out, you take the baffle out and then you can put this back in. There is a cage behind this. It's got stages in baffles. It's still loudest like this, but you can also take the cage out, but the cage is for exhaust wadding. The fuck is that? That's like chewing gum. Nice. But yeah, you can take the cage out or leave it in. Doesn't make any difference to the sound, so I left it in. So if you do fail on emissions, you can wad it with exhaust wadding, which is a good idea. You can't see the cage though. Now let's listen to the sound. I don't know how well this mic is going to pick this up. But it's fucking loud. It's very loud. My friends, is the Coffman exhaust. It's got really dark, hasn't it? I know. That's because it's about 6 hours later, but fuck it. Editing is a magical thing. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.